Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the show. First off, thank you for all the emails requesting a healthy smoothie that you and your family can enjoy. So with that said, today we'll be making an amazing healthy smoothie.
Thanks, Wade. Before you start, you need these ingredients. 1 medium banana, fresh or frozen. A half cup of sliced strawberries. A fourth cup of 2% Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon almond butter. Half cup of baby spinach. Half cup of unsweetened almond milk. And an optional peeled chopped ginger. Your first step is you peel your banana. Then you chop it up. Then pop it in the blender.
Next, get your strawberries, blueberries, or mango and pop them into the blender. Today we'll be using strawberries for our demonstration.
Now you get your half cup of 2% Greek yogurt and then pop it in.
Now that's some good looking yogurt. Next, get your 1 tablespoon of almond butter, like this, and pop that baby in.
Alright, now you get your half cup of baby spinach and pop in the blender.
Next, you'll need your 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Then, pop it in. This next step is optional, but we'll do it anyways because we're cool like that. First, you'll need 1 to 2 basil leaves, 2 to 3 mint leaves, and 1/2 teaspoon of peeled chopped ginger.
Thank you, Walker.
Pop that baby in.
Your final step to make your healthy smoothie is to blend thoroughly and make sure it's a liquid but still thick. Make sure to check for thickness.
But remember kids, make sure to not put your fingers in the blender while the blender is still running to check for thickness. Ah! Oh, now all that's left to do is enjoy your delicious, healthy smoothie.
Thanks for watching.
That's some good. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. And remember, if you're gonna eat, you might as well eat healthy.
Bye.
Drive safe.